Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today is definitely a chronic fatigue day, but I have some things that I need to do around the house. So my bathroom needs deep cleaned. There's all kind of orange spots, and it's just like hair products, dust, dirt, all that stuff. So we're gonna get that taken care of today. You already know, Yellow Mr. Clean Disinfectant make everything smell so good. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐻. This is my home, and I create content pertaining to home management. So that's cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs and repairs in your home, projects, painting, all that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please be sure to hit subscribe, the like button, and leave a comment down below. My husband decided to go to the gym. While he's at the gym, I was like, you know what? Let me try to get some things done around the house. If you don't already know, I suffer from chronic fatigue, and some days it's really hard to get out of the bed. It was a rough week, okay? So your girl needed to make sure she got this bathroom deep cleaned. Chronic fatigue syndrome is complete exhaustion at times, okay? And your body hurts, it aches, all of that great stuff. So it's not necessarily fun to go through, but once you get a little bit of energy, sometimes you tend to overdo things, and I did that today. However, I was able to recuperate the next day. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. I have been, again, relaxing. I was able to watch the latest Hunger Games movie finally. Oh my goodness, y'all. That movie was the bomb. As far as shows, I'm still watching Arctic Circle on Prime. I didn't realize there were 2 seasons. There may be more, but yeah. I'm not really sure. However, I do know that when I ended season 1, I was thinking that kind of ended weird. And then boom, realized there's a season 2. So I won't be watching that this weekend because it's your girl's birthday. But the following weekend, I'm going to try to binge watch that. Let me know what you're watching, what you're reading, what you're doing. Let me know if you have plans for spring, because spring has sprung in Columbus, Ohio, okay? It's going to be 70 degrees on my birthday, which is March 3rd. So I'm very excited about that. It already smells so fresh and so clean in here, and all I've done is, cleaned a few walls. Now, when I do the rest of the bathroom, it's definitely going to smell amazing. Let me know if you wash your walls down. We definitely have to in this house because most of the paint in the house is either white or a very light gray color, so they definitely need a good scrub.
What's going on? I hope I'm on your mind. I've got 70,000 friends, so I guess they'll be alright. I know someday we could finally be friends, without risk of falling in love again. And I feel now it is time to let you go, without hesitation. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a little lost of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me.
Now, I live in a dusty house, okay? But this toilet paper rack is super dusty, and it's black, so I wanted to make sure that I got this scrubbed down really good. How do you store your toilet paper? Leave a comment down below.
But I am one of them. One of them. I know someday we could finally be friends, without risk of falling in love again. And I feel now it is time to let you go, without hesitation. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a loss of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me. I don't know what I want.
I'm a firm believer in one person can make a difference in this world by just spreading love and kindness. What have you done this week to spread love and kindness? You'll have to let me know below in the comments. There are so many hurting people in this world. We don't know what people are going through, so it's just really important to just show love. I know I say it on every video, but that's really a part of healing. Once you're healed, you want to see other people that are being healed and loved and appreciated and knowing their worth. Be sure to say your affirmations because you have to realize that you are worthy, you are needed, and you are loved. Keep saying those affirmations until you believe it deep down within your heart, your whole body, soul, spirit, and everything else, okay? These toothbrushes clean off my jewelry. Always have a toothbrush to clean your jewelry because it works really well. Just don't tell my niece Nori that I stole her toothbrushes. She had so many that were not open, I decided to use those. What are you doing in your life to make you happy? If you're not doing those things already, what are you planning to do to make yourself happy? You do realize if you are the head of your household and you're not happy, you're not content, you're not satisfied, that's going to trickle down to everybody else in your family. My husband and I talk about that all the time. I'm like, you're the king of the house, I'm the queen of the house. If one of us ain't together, ain't nobody gonna be together. You know what I'm saying? Let me break it down into English terms for you. Whatever energy you're given to this world is definitely gonna be given back to you. And I'll give you a different example that everyone can relate to. Have you ever had that one coworker that is just nasty and angry and just despicable on a daily basis? Isn't that exhausting? Do you want to be known as that type of person? I mean, at the end of the day, we really don't care what people think, right? But do you really want to be known as a disgruntled person? Do you want people to be lying at your funeral? That's so morbid, but it's true. Life is so fragile, and the older you get, the more you realize that life's all about creating memories and having a good time and trying to make your situation good, regardless of what's really going on, right? If you're sad, do something about it. If you're broke, do something about it. If you are disgruntled, do something about it. Do something to make you happy. And the best advice that I can give you is if you have a crown, don't eat caramels because your girl's crown came out eating a caramel, okay? You definitely have to have a sense of humor to like this channel. But for real though, I really want everyone to be healed. I really want everyone to be happy. Hold hands, sing kumbaya in a circle, whatever it is that you have to do to be happy, do it, okay? And if you don't have anyone cheering you on, I got your back. I'm sure a lot of us have all been in that place where we're just feeling low and down, but at some point you gotta crawl your way out of it.
my good? Why's you're not on your knees? What's in it for me? Stop, 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 stop. What's in it for me? Stop, chasing good. Why's you're not on your knees? Stop, stop. I'm not gonna be there for you. No, can you hear me when I say I'm tired of being no one? Something used and thrown away, yeah. Oh, what's in it for me? Why don't you just let it be? Yeah. 'Cause I gave you 1, 2, and 3. Time's not wasting my good. Why is you not on your knees? On your knees. What's in it for me? Stop, 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 wasting my good. Why is you not on your knees? Stop, stop. What's in it for me? Oh, oh. Stop, 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 what's in it for me? You only got one life to live, so don't waste them on these douchebags. Stop, 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 stop. I gave you 1, 2, and 3. Time's not wasting my good. Why's it not on your knees? What's in it for me? What's in it for me? What's in it for me?
I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready.
My husband is home and ready to get in the shower. The only thing that needs to be done at this point are the floors, and he's gonna handle that for me. There's nothing like a clean shower, and it looks so good in here. I really appreciate you being here. I'm gonna show you some foodie footage of what we had for dinner that evening.
'Cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything